In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Ghibli-style photo using Grok AI. Whether you're a big fan of Studio Ghibli or simply have an interest in digital art, you'll find this process delightfully creative and straightforward. First, let's begin on the most familiar of all digital landscapes, Google. Open your preferred web browser and head straight to Google. It's your handy starting point for almost any online adventure. Once you're there, go ahead and type grok into the search bar. Press enter and wait for that list of search results to pop up. Browsing through, click on the link that directs you to Grok's official website. This step is crucial. You want to make sure you're on the correct platform to proceed with creating your Ghibli masterpiece. Now that you're on the Grok AI website, look around for the paperclip icon. This icon is central to uploading images, which is what you'll be doing next. Click on it, and from there, you can upload any photo you want to transform into a Ghibli-style artwork. Make sure your image is clear and of good quality for the best result. After successfully uploading your photo, it's time to move on to crafting your prompt. This step is where you can let your creativity shine. Think about what elements of Ghibli styling you would like to see reflected in your photo. Whether it's enchanting landscapes, vibrant colors, or whimsical characterizations, tailor your prompt to suit the artistic vision you have in mind. With your prompt crafted and ready to go, the next step is to click on the Submit button. This is where the magic happens as Grok AI gets to work on transforming your photo. It might take a few moments, so be patient. While waiting, you can start imagining how your final piece will look with that iconic Ghibli charm. And there you have it. Your Ghibli-inspired artwork is now complete. This is the moment to admire the transformation and see how your initial photo has been reimagined with that special touch. If you're satisfied, you can save your masterpiece, or consider making adjustments if necessary until it aligns perfectly with your creative expectations. And that wraps up our tutorial on creating new Ghibli-style photos using Grok AI. It's an enjoyable and simple process that allows anyone to incorporate a unique artistic flair into their photos. Don't forget to share your creations with friends or on social media. They just might inspire others to explore their own artistic side with Grok AI. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!